Today we'll talk about how can you disable official messages notifications on your Mi Home app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on additional settings. You just click on it here. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notification settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on system notifications. Then you come here to official messages here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean official messages notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.